Hi friends, welcome back to my laptop screen. So today we are going to learn about how to make an attendance sheet. This can be used also in school or in offices. Okay, so today we are going to learn about how to prepare an attendance sheet. It would be fully automated. In the end of this video, you would come to know which of your employees or student are present for how many days or absent for how many days. If you want to calculate the salary also, if you are doing it for your employees, we can do this using this sheet. Okay, so let's start. So I'll take you from the basic, how to make columns, how to format it, what are conditional formatting, everything would be covered in this video. So let's start. Okay, I hope the Excel is visible. I'll zoom it if you want. So first we will write here attendance sheet, say December 2009. Okay, then employee name, then comes employee ID, then comes date. Date is 0112, 0212 2019. So if I drag this date, 31st of December. Okay, I'll add one, insert one column. First was this month, first was, I believe it was a Sunday. Yes, so Sunday, Monday. See, if I drag this, it automatically gives us the week. Last day is Tuesday. Okay, so if you want to highlight, you can highlight Sunday as red, as I'm doing here. I can do this, copy it, paste it. Instead of doing copy paste, I can also use a option called format painter. Okay, here it is at the home tab. Yeah, with a small brush you can see this. Yes, so I just click this. I want to highlight Sunday. So if I click this, the format painter goes. So if I want to keep the format painter as it is, I have to double click. So I will just I've just double clicked Sunday, and again Sunday, and 25th will also be an holiday as it's Christmas. Okay, I press escape key, then I go back to this. Okay, now I put some random names as Mahesh, Ramesh, Suresh, Namta, Aditi, whatever, Vidula, Shrini, Sunday. Okay, I put the employee names. Employee ID can be anything, 121, 123, 122, 145, 134. See, this is a sample data, so it's nothing to do with the actual employee codes. Okay, so in this your exact employee codes would be there if you're maintaining it for an office, and the names of your employees also. Okay, so this is a Sunday, so it is week off. So let's copy this week off, copy, paste, 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 paste. This is an holiday. 25th is an holiday. Okay, Now let's draw a table. I'll select the entire data, and then in the home tab, this you can see borders, select all borders. Right? So I want to highlight this row number 4 in bold, so I'll select the entire row like this. I have to just click here and press B, bold. Right? I want to merge this. I'll merge this two cells into one cell. So in the home tab only you can see merge option. I've selected both these cells and I merged it. If I want to bring this a particular text in between of this entire merge cell, what I need to do is align it to the center. Okay, now this is what a table looks like. So this is just a normal table what we have made. Now we'll put something like for absent the term should be a, let's, and it should be highlighted in, draw columns, and it should be highlighted in yellow. I'm sorry, it should be highlighted in red. If it is absent, it should be highlighted in red. For present, the term used should be p. Present should get highlighted in the screen, and for half day should enter HD, stands for half day, and half day should get highlighted into this color, say it's this color. I'll just draw a table against it. Okay, so let's start. So if I put P, it should have got highlighted to green. So for this we will do a conditional formatting. In order to do a conditional formatting, first I'll select the entire cells. Now the cells are selected till the end. Okay, so in the home tab itself you can see a conditional formatting. Yep, I select this, I go to manage rules. Okay, you'll get this table. Then you can see a plus sign. I'll add style would be classic. Only format top or bottom rank values. Here you need to select only format cells that contains. So we need to format cells which contains A, P or HD. So here it remains unchanged. I first select A, and then they'll ask you what you want to format. In our case we need to format a particular cell which contains A in red. So format with, click on this, customize format, you go to fill, the background color should be red. Okay, yes, okay. One more rule we need to add for P as well as for HD. So again I add it, I select classic, I select only format cell that contains P, and here what color had we decided? Light green, that's correct. Okay, and the last is for HD, half day. So classic, format only that contains HD, and the color what I have chosen, the color can be anything of your choice. Yeah, I'm just using 3 colors. Okay, great. So see, Mahesh was present on 2nd, Ramesh was present, Suresh was absent, Namita was absent, Aditi was absent. Sorry. Others were present. Aditi was absent. So see, it's got highlighted in red. The above got highlighted in P. Vidula was present. Ashwini came half day. Sandesh was absent. See, so the colors get auto populated as we have given a conditional formatting. So I'll just uh, do randomly. I copy this, paste it, I copy it, paste it. Okay, so today is 14, so I'm not going beyond 14. Okay, you can do it for the entire month, but I'm not going beyond 14. So I'll just randomly say A, H, D. See, the colors are getting changed. A, A, A means absent, HD means half day, HD is half day. Okay, you can also freeze these columns. Suppose, see, if I'm scrolling from Mahesh, I'm scrolling from 1 to 15, the name Mahesh is gone, disappeared. So if you want that name to be shown as it is, you can just freeze this. You have to select this, go to view and select freeze panes. Freeze the first column. Yes. Okay, so if I scroll it now, Mahesh remains constant. See, this Mahesh column doesn't get hide. So you can, even if you go to the 30th date 30, Mahesh doesn't move, the column 1 doesn't move, so the employee names remain constant. So great. So now we have made a table, we have learned how to do conditional formatting, we have marked their presentees also, their attendance also. So now let's calculate how many days Mahesh was present, how many days he was absent, or how many half days has he taken. So this can be done using a COUNTIF formula. I have already shown how to use a COUNTIF formula. If you guys have missed it, I'll share the link below for COUNTIF formula. You can please go through that video. Thank you. Now let's check how many days they are present. So total, we'll make one few columns. Total present, total absent, total HD, and total days, total days salary, or you can say total days present. So total days present is nothing but the total present plus the half days. Okay, so now we'll just draw borders against it. Sorry, home, and select this borders. So to calculate total present, the formula is COUNTIF, CONTIF, open brackets. The formula starts from 31st. So the date range is from the cell range is from C5 to AG5, comma. So what we need to count here? Total P. How many times Mahesh was present this month? Total P. So inverted commas P, close inverted commas, enter. So Mahesh was present for 10 days. Just copy this formula, select the entire cells till Sandesh and Control V. Okay, now let's do for absent. Same formula, count if, bracket open, same cell range from C5 to AG5, comma, inverted comma, A, inverted comma, bracket close. Same formula here. HD, bracket close. Great. So I'll just copy this and paste it. Great. So see, I can see Ramesh was absent for 3 days. Now let's see whether he was actually absent for 3 days. Okay, so he was absent on 4th, he was absent on 9th, yes, and he was absent on 13th as well. So the formula is working correctly for us. Now here half day should not be counted as total 1 day leave, right? Because if I do calculate total present plus half day, so it shows me as 11 days present. So ideally he was just 10 days present, 1 day was half day. So one half day means half present, half absent. So what we can do here is we can just, after this formula ends, we'll put a division sign and divide by 2.5, right? So half a day he was present, half a day he was absent. Just copy this formula and enter it. Okay. So now this gives me a clear picture that Mahesh was present for 10.5 days. If I want to calculate the salary also, it would be easier for me that he was present for 10.5 days and not 10 days and 1/2 day. Correct? So this is how it works. I'll just copy this formula and paste it. Right. So this was the simple attendance sheet which covers the conditional formatting, which covers how to calculate how many days he was present, how many days he was absent, and half days, and also the total number of days. I would also be covering how to calculate the salary once we get this derived to how many days your employees were present. So this salary calculation would be done in the next video. Until then, please keep watching my videos, and if you like what I am doing, please hit that like button so that I get motivated and can make more such videos for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do have a nice day and do take care of yourself. Thank you and bye bye.